I am Brady Mitri, and this is the ALA 100 final. We have our project goal. The project goal of this project is to create a model of a chair using design principles learned and developed through class. I'll demonstrate a model I've made along with how I came up with it. Where the inspiration comes from. I like the design of tensegrity floating things, where you just use some well-placed wire and it can appear floating like magic. I also like the planked wood design and curls on aesthetic looking chairs and like benches, and represented by my drawing, and so I designed to combine them. I decided to combine them. And then at first I looked through Tensegrity floating chairs for inspiration. I implemented the two, and I had inspiration from an example design. Thought it was the perfect design I wanted to do, and so this is what I came up with. We have basically the wooden chair design, like I said, and it has the tensegrity design in it too. Nice and ergonomic and simple. We can see the tensegrity system working there. Another view of it working with an aesthetic design for its tensegrity. Front of it. Basically a nice, essentially outdoor chair you'd see kind of just laying around in other places. My reflection for this project. So when designing this chair, I've had some additions I needed to make, like the main bench of it when I was designing it needed to be inverted. I found the tensegrity green being kind of weird to design, and then I added the arms after realizing the comfort of the design, because the project led me to not just to think about the chair in this design, but the actual comfort ergonomics of what it's going to be like actually using this. And then as I went into it, I felt this is probably one of the best designs I can come up with. However, with future iterations, I can definitely improve on the design. As you can see, there's some dimension issues and other things like that, but this is a very solid design that I think I can improve on.